fellow students, and my dear friends. A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I am Anjana Ila, second year student of Alchemy IAS Institute. It is a great honor and pleasure for me to stand in front of you all on this auspicious day of India's 78th Independence Day, and an opportunity to stand in front of you all and to speak a few words on the hopes and aspirations of India for the coming years. We stand at the cusp of a new era, a time where world watches India with hopes, with awe and anticipation. Our nation, a kaleidoscope of cultures, languages, and tradition, is poised to script its destiny with bold strides of progress and prosperity. India, with its burgeoning youth, is a nation brimming with potential. Our young minds armed with knowledge and technology, are the architects of our future. They are the innovators, entrepreneurs, and the leaders who will shape the contours of tomorrow. We aspire for an India where every young individual is able to access quality education, health facilities, opportunities to realize their potential. Our hopes are pinned on an India that is economically robust, socially inclusive, and environmentally sustainable. We dream of a nation where agriculture thrives, industries flourish, and fruits of development reaches the remotest corners of the nation. We envision a society where no one is discriminated on the basis of caste, creed, or gender, where everyone enjoys equal opportunities and rights. A nation where women are safe and empowered. We aspire for an India that is globally a global leader in clean energy, where we harness the powers of sun, water, and wind to fuel our growth while protecting our environment. Our aspirations go beyond our borders. We dream of an India that is a global peacekeeper, a nation that fosters harmony and cooperation among nations. We envision an India that plays a pivotal role in addressing global challenges like climate changes or the poverty and inequalities. We dream of a nation that is respected and admired for its cultural heritage, its democratic values, and contributions to human progress. The road ahead is undoubtedly challenging. We have numerous obstacles like poverty and illiteracy to inequalities and infrastructure deficits and also corruption. But I am confident that the indomitable spirit of India will prevail. We have the talent, we have the resilience, we have the determination to face any challenge. Let us unite as a nation with shared vision and common purpose. Let us use the power of diversity to create a harmonious and inclusive society. Let us protect our environment for the sake of our future generation. Together, we can build an India that is the pride of every Indian, a nation that inspires the world, and a beacon of hope for humanity. With this, I would like to conclude my words, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.